Hi everyone, Nate Kopic here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus, stock number 28184T. This one is silver in color. Does have the granite emblem. Sets that off real nice. Fog lights down here in the front. I like how they have this black trim. It looks really good on that silver. 18-inch black wheels. Kind of remind me like an SRT 4 like neon wheel. Let's take a look inside here. It does have power options as well as locks, windows, mirrors. The mirrors are heated as well. Got the power seats with the lumbar. Little spot here for your umbrella. Premium leather heated seats, front and back. Now this is the S series, so they have the sporty look on it. Nice big center console here. Little auxiliary ports, DVD system, 8.4-inch Uconnect radio. You can also control things like your climate from the radio, your heated seats, upon other features. Park assist, traction control buttons here, turn dial for park, reverse, neutral, drive. Heated leather steering wheel, cruise control settings here. Got some controls here that'll control the 7-inch display here in the cluster. Sorry. Phone controls, so when your phone's paired to this radio, you'll be able to have full control over it. We got the power sliding doors. It's a very convenient feature. Stow and go seating. These seats actually fold away into the floor. Now these ones are heated, again, keep in mind. Rear entertainment. Got the DVD system here in the back on both sides. Real nice for long car rides. You can also plug in headphones, HDMI and USB. That's on both seats. Take a look here in the back seat so you can see. Now those headrests, they fold down so that way you're able to see out of your rear view mirror. Really nice feature to have that power sliding door. Again with the granite emblems. Also says Pacifica in black with the S on the end. Backup camera, power hatch button, and just like the back seats, these seats will fold flat into the floor too, so you could comfortably get, a piece of plywood in here if you needed to. Got a couple little storage areas over here, plenty of storage down there. Push button to close, another convenient power feature. Real nice vehicle. I think the black really offsets the silver. They did a really good job in this design. Again, this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus. Stock number 28184T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or call me at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.